Hi friends, if you want to make a website for video gaming, blog or eSports store, this video is exactly for you, and you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know for the theme which you may decide for your website is having what features and what facilities once you decide to take and make your website using that theme. And in this video I have a very wonderful theme called GameZone. This is specifically a video gaming blog and eSports store WordPress theme, and it is really a wonderful theme. This is why this has been selected to be on this channel, and you are going to be very satisfied using this theme while you are using for this on your website. And this theme has been developed by the Theme Racks, my all-time favorite developers of theme, and they are of course Power Elite authors, and they actually made wonderful WordPress themes. And I have seen the code quality of Theme Racks. They really work very well in the WordPress theme development, and they have a very unique and customized coding system, so you can blindly choose this theme for your website. And if we talk about the demo website, so I'll show you the demo website of this theme. This is the demo website of GameZone WordPress theme, and it has a very stunning and clear look according to a game blog website, and it is having a very clear impression for showcasing the contents, and you can use your content in a very narrative manner using this theme. And this theme of course offers facility to sell the stores, game products, and you can of course sell other products as well, but it is, since it is connected to a game blog website, you can easily connect the products of gaming and related things, so you can take advantage of both the things. So game and the blog, both you can enjoy at your website, and even you can make a earning using these features. So in this video we are going to install the GameZone WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also import the demo content, preview the theme options, so you can better decide what features are available in this theme, so that you may finally take and use this theme. And this theme is also available on the wpthemes.co.in website. I am giving the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can get this theme. So let us start. This is a fresh installation of WordPress with me, and the 2021 default WordPress theme is installed, and I have the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got licensing, documentation, the main theme file and the child theme file. For installation we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose gamezone.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I will also able to show you the theme file size. This is a very optimized theme. It is having just 17.15 MB in size, and this is why it is going to work very fast on your website as well. So this is the quality of Theme Racks, and they use very clean and clear code. They use very experienced way to code the WordPress themes. This is why their themes are very popular, and the themes are always bugs free, well tested. This is why I always recommend to use the theme developed by ThemeRex, and let it be uploaded first. It may take 1 or 2 minutes. My internet is not working properly today, and not a worry, let it be complete. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this GameZone folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space and it is not required now. We have already extracted the elements from this, and now we can go to the theme section of WordPress again. We have now the GameZone as another theme option, and this is GameZone version 1.1.1 by ThemeRex, and GameZone excellent WordPress theme with many different blocks and header layouts. So activate this theme. And upon activation, we got landed on the welcome page of ThemeRex, and it is showing everything what we need to do next. And so it is highly recommended that you install the companion plugin ThemeRex add-ons to have access on the layouts builder. Okay, so we will definitely install the ThemeRex add-on first and activate it now. Now the next is recommended plugins, so we will go for the install plugins, and can you give me the correct theme? Yes, I always give the correct theme. So my visitors are contacting me from all over the world, and I always used to reply them within 5 to 10 minutes. In fact, I always be on my PC, so I will definitely reply Mr. William Ozma as well. Okay, so yes, nothing. Okay, so let me finish this recording first. So I am now installing all the plugins. I'm choosing to install all plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any errors. And if you are in plan to take hosting with the wpthemes.co.in, then you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen, and all installation has been completed within some few seconds only. And now we need to activate all the installed plugins, and what I'll do, I'll activate all plugins in one go. And now all plugins has been installed and activated. I'll simply click on the dashboard to check whether it needs any further information, like WooCommerce needs certain setups and certain installations. So let us check what it needs. Okay, fine. So all plugins has been installed and it does not require any further information. And since all the plugins has been installed and theme has also been installed, we can take a look of our website how it looks with the GameZone WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And this is the basic look of GameZone WordPress theme, and you can even start using this theme from here and put the design from scratch, but mostly people used to work with the demo website, and this is why I'm going to show you the demo import as well, and next I'll also show you the theme options and customization options as well. So next is the one-click demo data, and we have to import the demo website at this stage, and just click on one-click demo data. And so this is another beauty of ThemeRex development, and this gives an option to import the content as much as you want actually, and only pages, forms and sliders you can import, and you can choose to import whole site content. For new website, it is whole demo site content is recommended, and the whole website content is recommended, so you can select all from here, and you can choose to import all the elements and whole site demo content, and just click on select all. Remember to select all if you want exactly demo website like we have seen, and just click on start import. And now the screen is showing you, telling you everything what is going on, and some knowledge base is also shared here. Meanwhile it goes working, you can read such things. So it is going to take time because it also imports the media files, and rest of things has been completed within seconds, and media will take time of course. So and it is also going very fast, so it is not going to take much time. So we have to be on this screen only, and don't try to leave or refresh the page because it may break the operations, and it may not complete your website. So let the process to be finished and wait until it's good, and you will reach on this screen once the demo import gets complete. And now we can visit our site. Yes, a wonderful website is here. The GameZone website is ready with all the images and all its contents. So we got a very wonderful website in this activity, as it was expected. All the things has been, so images has been copyrighted, and of course we are not going to use these images, and we have to place our own images, but some images can be used of course. And since we have completed the installation of GameZone WordPress theme, now I'll show you the theme options. So let me take you to the options and theme customizers and theme options. So I'll show you the theme options. Okay, so these are the options, and these are the broad options available. So logo for retina, and mobile header and retina, and all such things are here. General setting is here, body style and sidebar and additional widgets. Header is here, footer, front page builder, title, pictures. This is about the front page builder, so about us. Okay, so it is very broad, and of course you can use all such features. So and all such things has been given here. Subscribe, Google Map, contact us, and products, and all such things are here. So blog and shop, typography, colors, and you can use the dark and default color scheme. So and you can of course control all the colors from here, and plugin settings has been given here. So Okay, fine. So all the components and controls are here on our panel. So themed X add-ons gives you an extra privilege to use all such functionalities. So some controls has been given here as well. The API, social, shortcodes and theme specifics, so that works fine, and rest of things are here. Testimonials has been given separately, and rest of things are as common in WordPress. So now I'll show you how to edit the page contents. So this theme uses the WP Bakery visual page builder, and using the visual page builder is always an easy task. Just open the page which you want to edit and click on edit with the WP Bakery page builder, and you shall be able to edit the contents. I'll show you how you can do this. It is simple and even a non-technical person can do this. So you are going to do this at your own and no any specific designing skills are required, and I will rather advise you to use the backend editor of WP Bakery page builder, because the front-end editor is not so compatible as I assume, but you can use as you feel good, and click on the pencil icon. Whatever you want to edit will be on screen. So you just have all the controls here, and you can simply click and edit the contents. So this theme is basically a blog, so all the elements and all the contents are coming from the blog, I mean WordPress post itself, and you can even handle the things and rest of settings from here. So okay, so query and so okay, so everything is working fine, and I'll show you the backend editor as well. So if you are having any question regarding this theme, you can of course ask me in the comment section of this video, and I'm also, as I said, I'm also giving the link of my website where you can get in touch directly with me. So you can ask question and I'll try to resolve your queries. You can get the theme, and even you are first time visitor of this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. And this is the backend editor view, and you can choose to edit anything or remove or add things from here very easily, and all things is very clear here. So it is fine, and we got a very wonderful website in this activity, and hope you shall be able to make a wonderful website using the GameZone WordPress theme, and your website will be successful with this theme. Thank you for watching.